what cross-examination entails, is that correct? I'm going to give Mr. Fenter on behalf of accused number 1 to start with cross-examination. Mr. Fenter?
Thank you. Ms. Maratola, I would like to canvass short issues with you by starting and just I want some clarification as to your duties, but not only on the date, starting from the 17th, which is a Saturday, 17th of August 2024. What was your duties? Does it include? Maybe you can answer.
Yes. On the 17th, going back 3 weeks, I was on attending because I was not on duty. I only came on the 19th, which is on Monday.
Will you tell us the date, please? Say it in full. The date must be in full. If you just say 17th.
Oh, on the 17th on the 17th, I was not on duty. I came back on duty on the 19th of August 2024.
So on 17th August 2024, you were not on
No,
duty?
I was not on duty.
Verduidelijk omtrent jou dienste tydens daardie tydperk van die 17de agtertoe. En die antwoord is op die 17de was ek nie aan diens nie. Ek was vir 3 weke op 'n kursus. Ek het eers teruggekeer werk toe die 19de Augustus 2024. Maar dit om gaan sit my karabo dan kwa moshimong wa 17 go ya kwa morago. Ba tlhalosa gore a wa beke ke tharo go ya kwa morago beke le khosong ile ka bo ya moshimong ka 19 tsa August 2024 ka di 17 tsa August beke se bona moshimong.
Sevakikhupha we-17 August 2024 kuya kumashure mavhiki matatu ese vangava sipo mubasa vangava ri ku-attenda course se vakauya mubasa nemusi we-19 August 2024.
Ms. Maratola, when you returned on the Monday, you testified that you received dockets from the, what is it, the C?
That is Community Service Center, isn't it?
Yes.
Community Service.
So the CSC, is that the common term? Can I refer to the CSC? All right, does that include any, do you also have a look at the OB book, the occurrence book entries, or only the CSC?
Only the CSC.
Okay.
I checked only on dockets, unless if the docket refers me to the national code to the